Not only are pockets on a red suit rare, but the pockets that come with the trousers aren't built to put things in there. There isn't anything more uncomfortable than having keys dig into your leg as little ones sit on your knee. It probably isn't the most comfortable thing for them either. The answer to this problem was to make a bag that a Santa Claus representative could take with them wherever they went. But the problem is you could easily leave it behind. Hence a pocket that could never be left behind was invented, the belt pouch. Many Santa Claus representatives use belt pouches to store their car keys and phones. It's great for needing to store other things as well. And many of these pouches look fantastic with the belts. You can keep business cards in there, should you need to pass one along to an adult when the children aren't around, and other little goodies. You can find pouches for belts on Renaissance apparel sites, as well as Etsy and custom Santa Claus accessory stores. Not to mention those who go to Santa Claus reunions and events will probably run across a vendor or two that will have some options there as well.